Alright, so in our fourth video, we're now going to look at how we divide two numbers. So in this case here we can see we've got the value of 10 in B4 and in C4 we have 5. So if we wanted to see what 10 divided by 5 would give us, which we would expect to be 2, we can simply create that in the actual cell address D4. So to do that, all we do is type in again the equal symbol first because it's a formula. We then type in B4 /. Now the / is just below the question mark on your actual keyboard, or alternatively you can use the / that's actually on your number pad as well. And then we just type in C4, and what you'll notice now is it gives us the value of 2. So we can then change, say, the number 20, put 20 into number 1, and you can see that 20 divided by 5 is going to give us 4. Alright, and that's all we're going to look at for the divide function.